Hey guys, good morning from LP, and right now the time is 6:45. So you must be wondering what we are doing so early in the morning. So we are going for a Shikara ride, and that's close by, just 5-6 minutes from here. So here's my bike, and here's baby girl. Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
So she's getting ready, and so I don't know how we are going. I think we are going by our bike only. And you know there are AI cameras over here everywhere, so we have to wear a helmet even whatever time it is. Yesterday night at 12 we moved out from here, but still we have to wear cameras because of the we have to wear the helmet because of the cameras. And now this thing is new for me. I have I've never tried this Shikara ride. So as and how I am knowing things, I'll let you all also know. Today we will first do this, and then if we get time we will move to Trivandrum. So right now the plan is only this, that we'll go for the Shikara ride. So the weather update is that it is okay. The climate is okay. Yesterday it was very hot by the time we came, and almost like Goa like weather only. So we'll move now, and then I'll show you all the Shikara boat and like how everything is. So we have reached the place where all the Shikara boats are, and the bike is here. We are going to park it here only, and this is our boat. So my baby girl is already gone. So we are going near this boat. That's when they told us that this is not our boat, it's him. So we'll wait for our boat, let it come. So we have gotten into our boats, and this is the front view. So we'll just sit relaxing and we'll enjoy the view. So I think first we are going to some lake and then the village. I'm not sure how it is, but once I come to know I'll show you. So the rate for this per hour is 1000, and we have booked for 3 hours. But if we finish early, we'll wind it off early because we need to move to Trivandrum also. But for now, we will enjoy the views here. So we are going to the backwaters now, and you see all these plants. I don't know what this plant is called, but you know this is very bad for any water body. So if this plant overpopulates, the entire life in the stream or any lake, it dies. So the reason being, it covers up the entire surface of the river or the pond, and there is no sunlight that's passing through, so which leads the plants or the fishes which stay in the water to die. So I don't know why they have not cleared it, or maybe they have a certain period of time wherein they clear it. But if you see everywhere, they have overgrown. So this is the point, wherein everyone on boats, the houseboats. So these are the houseboats. And if you see a statue, there is a statue here. What statue it is, Bhaiya? What statue? Nehru. So this is it is the Nehruji statue, and this is the end point of the Kerala boat race. You know the famous Kerala boat race that takes place. So this is the end point of the race. So I don't know where it starts from. Maybe he'll show us, and if he shows, I'll show it to you all too. And these all are houseboats. And there are shikaras also in between, so there are so many. Here's a little front view of our Shikara ride. And you know there are so many houseboats, you just see. Like this entire way, from here till behind and everywhere, there are houseboats. You know, some look like 5-star hotels. You must see how they are built inside, and with the kitchen and everything. They look so good. Oh shit, I was supposed to fall. And yeah, so we are just enjoying right now. We'll be hitting the backwaters in some time. Right now we are on the lake. From the route of the lake, we are come to the village point. So you know, you can see the small houses and the small islands in between. So it seems that this is an entire village. Wait just a minute, I'll show you all the houses. So here there are some houses, and this is all like there are people living here, and we are enjoying little huts, one of my favorites. we'll see the views, and I'll show you all if we see anything interesting. So I think even even this one is a house, and you can see like they have a small like a dock. Yeah, this is like a water villa. You see, they are going for school on a boat, and you know, here there are small kids that are riding the boat. It feels so good looking at them, and it looks so good also. You know, like such small kids, so good control. I think they are used to it, but still, while we are looking at it, it looks very good. Yeah. So, you know, these are like the houses of the people. They are right next to the river. So this is another coffee shop. We saw quite a unique thing here. And if you see this boat carries all the vegetables and is delivering it to the houses over here. So these are all islands, small islands here. And they are getting all veggies through a boat. Yeah, this is just Swiggy and Zomato. So we have come to a point where I think we can click some pictures with eagles and to do a breakfast also. We got breakfast here. Okay, and breakfast also. So we'll go over there and we'll fill our stomachs. The tricky part is going to be climbing this, I guess. No, I think it will be easy.
And the breakfast is here, and we are having idli and sambar. He's searching for the hotels in Trivandrum. So yeah, we'll enjoy the idli with
Right next to the
fresh
river.
sambar with this view.
We have started our journey back again, and I'm not sure where we are going to. My girl is having coffee. Mine is there. I'm waiting for it to get cold. So actually, you know, we had put clothes for dry, our riding gears at our hotel, but to our bad luck, there is no sunlight at all, and the weather is okay. It is normal, but it is not so hot that, you know, our clothes will get dried up. So I don't know how we'll be managing with that, because if the clothes are not dry, then we cannot wear them, and it is very difficult, you know, to travel. So let's see how we go about with that. Or else we'll take an iron and then we'll iron it for some time and we'll move. Because anyways we have to move only from here. It is 5 hours from here, but somehow or the other we'll have to manage with things.
So we are about to end our boat journey now, and this Mahashe is taking a nap. Look at him. So we almost reached the parking lot where we started our journey. So yeah, so we finished our 2 hours boat trip Shikara ride, and we pretty much liked it.
Finally, we made it to our bike, which is here, and I was on power saving mode. I was resting for some time because our sleep is not yet complete. So we have made it. So now we'll go to our hotel. I'll upload the video, and then we'll move from there. We have 5 hours to reach Trivandrum, and I think the road will be the same as you all have seen in the previous videos. The road condition is bad for the past 2 years. It seems there's a 6-lane highway that's coming, but it's fine. We'll manage it somehow. And you know, these days we are traveling during the night, but today we'll avoid that, and in Tamil Nadu also we'll avoid that. So today we are planning that we'll leave at 11 o'clock now, and then directly stay at Trivandrum. So my girl is here. She is enjoying the views.
Yeah, I really like the Shikara ride. It was my first time trying the Shikara ride, and the breakfast like at the riverside. I enjoyed.
Yes, so we'll move now, and we'll go to this thing hotel. We reached our room, and you know, we are done with most of the things, and the checkout time was 11:30, but he allowed us to stay till 12:30, and we are getting ready. So the place that we were staying at is Golden Beach Homestay. This is right next to the beach. Just like 2-3 minutes, not even 2-3 minutes, hardly a minute, and then the beach is accessible. The rooms are really good, the washrooms and all, everything is good. The owner is really kind, and it is under the budget also, and it is a good deal actually of staying in Alleppey. And right now, so we are going to Jatayu, and from Jatayu we'll be going to Trivandrum. So my bike, I mounted everything, the top box and everything is mounted already, and my video is getting exported here, so it is 84%. That's why I cannot vlog from my phone, so I'm vlogging from Joshia's phone right now. And let's go, let's get ready and go. So we were just on our way, meaning we did not even start the ride, and we saw a good cafe here. So this is the English breakfast, and that is a cheese bread omelette with coffee. I ordered sweet lassi, and the weather is turning out to be pretty dark. It looks like it will rain anytime. So we are thinking of like riding a bit fast, and we have our raincoats and all. There's no need to worry about that. But let's see how the ride goes. So we'll have this first, and then we'll move out from here. So we were just having a pancakes and sweet lassi, and it has started raining outside. It is not that visible on the camera, but yes. So we'll have to wear our raincoats before we start the ride. If it rains heavily, I'll get the raincoats first and then hit this. So looking at the weather, we have decided to wear our raincoats. So I'm already wearing, and here's the coat. We have 3 hours to reach Jatayu, and after that we have to go to Trivandrum. So we'll put on the raincoats, on the safer side, because otherwise we'll have to, stop, take stops, put the raincoat and all. So better than that, we'll put now, and then we'll be like carefree to our travel. So we just got to take off our raincoats, and we have taken it out. You see the sweat on her. We have worn a raincoat so that we don't get wet, but you see the sweat, and this is even a more thicker pant, and the raincoats are all here, and we are somewhere in I don't know where also we are. We have just been riding for like 10-15 minutes, not much also. So we have another 2.5 hours more to go to reach Jatayu. Okay, let's go. Yeah. We are at Jatayu Earth Center, and here's the bike. I'm going to park it here only with everything mounted on it. There are a lot of bikes here. Oh, my girl is slipping. So there are a lot of bikes here with the same setup, and that too they just have bungee cords. So the bike should be safe here, and we have cable train. Cable train, yeah, cable train that will take us up. So we don't have to climb all the way up. And I'll show it to y'all on top only, and there's a cloakroom and everything is there. So let's go and check what services are available first.
We'll take this pass.
Oh, okay, fine. We'll take the parking pass. Okay, so let's move and check, because it is closing at 5:30. So maybe 5 o'clock is the last train that's going up. So we reached the ticket counter, and Joshua is in line because I'm holding all this stuff. So there's a lot of line actually. Let's see how long it takes for us to get the tickets. We finally we got the tickets after standing in line for more than 30 minutes, and we are going to the cable bridge now. Let's see if it's open. Cable car. Cable car. Okay.
That's what they have mentioned.
Yes. Okay. So we are really tired. Looking at our faces only, you'll come to know. And it looks like it's going to rain. Not sure about that, but we have our raincoat, so that is everything is okay.
But we did not carry our raincoats.
Yeah, we did not carry our raincoats. That's other problem. Oh my God! You look at the rush in front. Now we have to stand in this line. You see the crowd that is there for the cable bridge. I don't know what time this will be possible, but still we'll give it a try since we have come so far. we'll stand in the line and check. So finally, after such a long time, we have come to the waiting area of tram, and here comes the cable car, and it's going to be our turn now to go up. So it's going all the way up. It's 811 steps it's in. So or else you can book this. So further details I'll give you all once we are done with all this rush. So we are at Jatayu now. It was such a long struggle to reach here. First wait in 3 waiting rooms to get to the tram, and after that it takes around 15 minutes to reach here. We were here at Jatayu at 5 o'clock, and the time right now is 7:30. So almost 2.5 hours to reach here, but it is completely worth it. And here we have the eagle. And it looks so good from here. The museum and there are some other things that they'll be opening up, but they are closed right now. But we really enjoyed looking this. All this time we have seen it on photos so many times. I've planned so many times. But today finally we are here. So for the tram they are charging around 1,200 for both of us. That is with the entry and all that. So it is okay, meaning we have to climb otherwise 800, 900 steps and 1 hour. But a tram of 15 minutes is good if you compare it with that. We came on top, there was such a big line, and to get down also there is such a huge line. So there is a stall here, and we took this is bhaji, I think. Actually we thought this was banana bhaji, but I think these are this thing chilies, and we took 2 teas. My girl is here, exhausted but still energetic.
This breeze is nice. I'm enjoying the breeze.
Actually the breeze here is very nice, and it's pretty windy. And I don't know even if you all can hear what I speak. So right now we are just sitting to go back. So here's the tram that will take us down, and there's such a lot of rush here that everyone is waiting for their turn to go. I think it will take around more 10-20 minutes for us. So this is the cloakroom where we had kept our things. The jackets are here and my helmet is here. So we'll collect this. We'll go near the bike and get dressed up. My baby girl is doing the hard work for me, carrying my jacket. Hey guys, so we have reached Trivandrum, and the city is really good and big. But we were tired, we were really tired. So what we decided was that we'll order from Pizza Hut. So we ordered through Zomato, and we have a lot of things. These are fries and all those things. I'll show you all. Today's ride was really good as compared to the past 2 days. Today's ride was good. There were no divergence in road. So it is safe to say that south of Kerala roads are a bit better as compared to the north. Like Kannur and Kozhikode, those roads are very bad. Meaning I'm not, like criticizing or anything, but what is there, I'll tell you all. So if you all are planning to come by road, you all can check off any other route or be prepared to face off-road and diversions. A lot of diversions while coming to at least Kochi. From Kochi the roads are okay, not that bad. So let her come and then we'll have a food. We have these are cheese garlic sticks. These are non-veg pizzas. This one and this one. This is veg and that is also veg. And these are some calzone pockets. You must be thinking why we are having so much. We had actually skipped our lunch. We only had brunch and then we moved out from LP and we were really hungry. So we ordered whatever we could and whatever we wanted. So having this is a bit of a task, and it is said that at night we should not eat like quite heavy things. But I think today is fine. We'll make an exception for this. And by the time we edit our video and all, it becomes 1 o'clock. So it will get digested also as well. But I think that's it for today's video. I hope you have liked the video. If you have liked it, please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Till then, see you in the next video. Bye.